We have another solar light DIY. This is a little jar, I guess a little candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks coastal though, because it has like the little jute twine handle already on it. So I thought we could try to do a solar light kind of on a smaller scale. But again, using some of these little fairy garden figurines from the Dollar Tree. This one just had like 3 different kinds of seashells. They're all really pretty and well painted. And so I think 3 is going to fit perfectly in this size jar. So I'm just hot gluing those to the bottom to make sure those stay in place. And we can make a small little solar light. This would be great on a little table or for like party decor or something like that. This would actually be really cute inside your house too if you could keep your solar light charged. So there's our little 3 seashells. Gonna cover the bottom again with a little bit of that Dollar Tree brown sand. I kind of like the brown better than the white, but you could use the white as well. Then I thought I would try a different option to cover the sides of the solar light. I'm going to use one of these little burlap bags from the Dollar Tree, just because it's so easy to cut and DIY with. And I'm just going to cut out a strip about the same size as the side of the solar light. And I'm just going to cover that with burlap. I think the burlap's going to look like nice and coastal, but it's going to kind of give us a cleaner, different feel than the rope that we've been using on a lot of these solar light DIYs. So just gluing that all the way around to cover up the top of that. Now I can take the top of the little solar light off, again, just the top, and attach that to the top of the jar. It is a really good fit on this one. And since this one doesn't have like a screw lid on there, there's nothing really to cover up with that. And so this was a great reason to use the burlap. And I just attached that with hot glue. Again, I am using hot glue on purpose on these just because if I want to be able to switch the little solar lights, I totally can. And here it is, our little kind of smaller scale seashell light. I think this is going to be really pretty. This is how the little seashell jar looks during the day. And this is what it looks like lit up at night. It's nice and bright because it's a nice small jar, but I think it's super coastal and cute.